I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will install and activate Rank Math, then run the setup wizard right away. This is the first actionable step. Choose your site type, import existing SEO settings if prompted, and connect to Google Search Console for verification. Enable the XML sitemap and basic modules like SEO analysis and redirects. Once done, review global meta defaults so posts use the correct templates. This quick foundation prevents common misconfigurations and gets you ready to optimize individual pages immediately. Now configure Rank Math's core features to control how search engines see your site. Set global title and meta templates using placeholders so each post auto-generates SEO-friendly tags, and define schema types per content type to improve rich results. Adjust sitemap settings and enable breadcrumbs for better indexing and UX. Then configure redirects and 404 monitoring to catch broken links. Make sure to use Rank Math suggestions or Content AI to refine focus, keyword placement, and readability on each page. Finish by optimizing individual posts and pages. Use the on-page meta box, check the SEO score, and apply the suggested fixes while previewing the snippet. Once optimized, resubmit your sitemap to Search Console and monitor indexing and performance. If you see persistent issues like missing metadata or sitemap errors, clear caches, check redirect rules, and inspect plugin logs. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable other SEO plugins or reset the Rank Math module settings to isolate conflicts and restore
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.